Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. Today I'm going to teach you that how can you improve your English and how can you improve your accent. Because most of the viewers are asking to me the same question in the comment box that how can we grab the accent like a British people, like a native speakers, like American peoples. But yeah, obviously I can't speak like them, but I know some tips that how can we speak just like them. Okay, so all of you guys are watching here, come close to the screen and listen me carefully. After that you will be able to get me that what I am saying to you. Okay, just listen to me carefully and don't skip the even a single second of video, because I'm going to teach you all the important things and all the important tips that after that you will be able to speak just like a British, like a native speakers. Okay, so let's get started our lesson. There are some tips which we have to learn. After that we will be able to speak like them, but I'm going to share you one tip in this video, because if I'll teach you all that tips, not there are many tips, there are some few like 4 to 5 tips, but in this video I'm going to teach you just one tips with the examples. After that you will be able to get me. Okay, so what is that tip? So it's a linked speech. Now you will ask me that what is linked speech. So linked speech is that sentence in which one word is connect with another word. That is called linked speech. So I'm just going to share you some examples. After that you will be able to understand that what is linked speech. Okay, so you are saying the one sentence on the screen. This is what do you do? So what do you do? So instead of saying do you, you can speak do you. So that means you are speaking, you are connecting the word to each other. That is called linked speech. Like what do you do? You don't need to pronounce do you clear. You can pronounce do you as you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so you don't need to pronounce what sound clearly. You can also say it's a wa, as you are seeing on the screen. Wa, what do you do? And I'm going to say you in our accent, which is Pakistani accent, it's a what do you do? And in British, in American accent, what do you do? What do you do? So I hope you can see the difference between these sentences, that what's the exact difference between these. There are 8 tips to learn such kind of accent. So I hope you are understanding. So I'm just going to share you another example. So it's a what do you think about me? So instead of saying what, you can say wo, do you. And instead of saying think, you can say think, because th sound, you have to pronounce th sound just like this. Think, thought, think, thank you. So what do you think about me? What do you think about me? So these are things. Okay, so just let me show you another example. Okay, what did you do that? When d comes closer to the voice, then we can say it's d, and y sound, make a y sound is ju. Like wo, you don't need to pronounce did you. You can also say did you. What did you do? What did you do? What do you do? What do you do? What did you do? Are you seeing the difference between these sentences? So these are tips. Okay.